Welcome back to Dot Daily.
Dot-a-doodle-doo.
I'm your host, Kusama Ken again. And today, we will be on Polkadot.js.org showing you how to set up your Kusama wallet. Once in, you want to go to Apps and Wallets. You want to go to the parachains. Before we select the Kusama chain, I give a shout out to Parity, Dweller, Radium Block, and Pinknode for keeping the gears running. Next, you want to go into the Kusama chain. Once you're in the Kusama chain, you want to hit Add Account. Then you will see your seed phrase. Once you see your seed phrase, remember, do not give it to anybody. You want to write it down and keep it in a safe spot where it's locked up tight and nobody can get in. Once you do all that, it's going to take you to setting up your account. Your name, your password. This is another thing you don't want to give, obviously. Next, it will show you a rundown of your account. Click Save and it will download your JSON file to your computer. This works as a backup to restore your wallet. Just to recap, we'll go over this again. Number one, start off by going to www.polkadot.js.org. Number two, be sure you're clicked on the Kusama chain. Number three, you want to go to Add Account. Number four, you want to save your seed phrase. Again, don't give it to anybody. Then, you want to click Save, where your JSON file will be downloaded. Then, you're free to explore the ecosystem, where the possibilities are endless. Don't forget to vote.
Dot-a-doodle-doo.